Hello guys, this is Krishna. Thank you for joining me on this new video on Cloudways. What we're gonna see is how you're gonna be able to change and update the PHP version of your server. And that's gonna apply as well for all the applications such as WordPress that you have on that same server. So if you don't already have an account, you're gonna find here in the description below here. I have provided a link. That's a referral link for you. That's gonna give you a free trial. But as well, you're gonna find below here a promo code that's gonna give you 10% off for the first 3 months. Okay. With that being said, we're just gonna come back here and we're gonna look how we can change the PHP version of our server. We're gonna click on the server that we have available here, or the one that we want to select. We're going to go to settings and packages. When this is selected, we have different options here that we can change, right? That might be pertinent for some of the applications that we're running. But what we want to go is over here our packages. So we have some basic and advanced settings, but we want to go over here to packages. So when we come up here, you're gonna see that this is where we're able to change the version. So one thing to keep in mind with those kind of changes for settings that you're doing, it's always best to have some type of backups. And if you have a look at some of the other videos that I made there, I went through how to actually make a backup and how to do it regularly on a regular frequency, right? And the reason that is because you could change some of the settings here and it could make it that your application is no longer working properly, and if you did not have a backup, basically you basically lose everything, right? Some application might not be updated to the latest PHP version, so that's why it's always important to have a backup. So when we click up here, you're gonna find that where we are over here, we can come up here and we can select the PHP version that we have, and we're gonna click up here. We're just gonna select number 8 and we're gonna save it. And as well, Cloudways is showing us a warning just to make sure that we're aware that the changes that we're making here might not be compatible with all the different applications that we have. So just make sure that this is done, or just in case you will still want to go through, I would recommend to have a backup before making those changes. When that is done, he's gonna go ahead and update the version. So that's basically all you need to know to change the PHP version. It's gonna take a little while to update, but after the update is done, it's gonna be updated. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it below.